Mr. Wendell. Once again, let's welcome the ambassador and face of Wendelli Meat House. Let's all welcome Mr. Wendell Ramos.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Napaka-formal, no, boss? Anyway, again, I just want to thank God first, no, for making these things, this evening, this event, making this event possible. Palakpakan naman natin ang Panginoon. I'm not here to preach, but yun po talaga yung totoo. Hinahanap ko yung table ko para nainggit ako kay Boss Krish. Para na-pressure ako doon. But anyway, gusto ko lang will you please allow me to take this opportunity na makapagpasalamat po sa lahat. Alam kong kanina pa tayo nagpapasalamat, but ito talaga yung main reason. Kasi wala ho ang mga mapapasalamatan, wala ho ang Wendelli, ang iFranchise, kung wala ho din dito sa mga taong mapagpapasalamatan ko ngayon. So, konti lang naman ho sila. Of course, I just want to say thank you to our CEO, Christian Loy Canabe. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Yeah.
And to Joel Pascual, our partners from Commissary Kitchen, maraming salamat. And Mr. Bertrand, maraming salamat. Mr. B, I didn't know that you're Mr. Bertrand. Free talk with Mr. B, our brand ambassador, global ambassador. Yeah, thank you so much. And Dr. Abigail from Zimbabwe. Africa. Ma'am, thank you so much for giving us your time here, for your love and support to our iFranchise in Wendelli. And to Gerjo, Tanti, you, George. Anyway, thanks brother. Thanks for giving your time also. And Ma'am Monique Señeres, lovely wife of Kong Roy Señeres Jr. Kong, maraming salamat. He's a big, good friend. Advocate din para sa mga OFW. That's why he's here. Para makatulong din para sa ating global ng Wendelli. And of course, to Attorney Joe Malaluan. Parang Joe Malaluan, ang nagbigay ng mga kontrata sa amin para sa Wendelli at sa iFuel. Attorney, mahal na mahal kita. Kung hindi dahil sa iyo, baka wala pa ako ngayon dito sa Wendelli. But anyway, thank you so much. And of course, sir, it's an honor na nandito po kayo ngayon. It's an honor. Asek Venecio, Bano Legaspi, thank you for being here. And of course, hindi ho mabubuo ang Wendelli, hindi rin ho mabubuo ang aming advocacy, ang aming core team na sinasabi ko. Of course, our iFam. No, from the brokers, from the VPs, hindi ko na kayo babanggitin pero feeling ko kailangan eh. You know? Credit niyo sa VP Leo, pare. Good evening. And thank you, AVP Chong. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Unit Managers, GM Joel Rojas. Front Operations, si GM Joel. Maupay na gabi sa mga natanan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And iFranchise Wendelli staff, maraming salamat. Brokers, love you guys. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, nung Christmas, kayo ang nagbigay ng dahilan sa akin kung bakit ako nandito ngayon, kung bakit ako lalong nagkaroon ng drive or ng dedication sa trabaho at para masabi ko na isa ako sa pamilya ng iFamily. Kayo po ang dahilan, kayo mga brokers. Kayo po ang inspirasyon ko at sinasabi ko sa aking pamilya. And of course, to our media, sa GMA, kila Ate Melba, At hindi lang yung mga medias from the Philippines, also to Sir Vince. Nandito pa ba siya? From the Philippine Times, no? From Dubai. Sir Vince, maraming salamat. Napaka-kritiko niyan. Pero thank you so much for acknowledging our Wendeli, our iFranchise. And of course, to Miss Diane. Diane, salamat. Salamat for
Thank you.
Thank you. And to VJ, my rich family, our Indian cuisine, soon to be iFranchise. I think it's iFranchise already, right? Yeah, we have already in Boracay, a global na rin, no? BGC. Wow, that's good. VJ, partner mo ako dun, ha? Anyway, of course, ito our investors, partners, maraming salamat. To Philip Vasquez, na nagtiwala sa amin from Dubai, who believed in us. Alam ko namang marami pang pwedeng gawin negosyo dyan, pero naniwala siya sa amin. So thank you, Philip Vasquez. Alam kong marinig mo to at makikita mo kami, the whole team ng kitchen. Blue Spot Kitchen. And of course, to our commissary, to Chef Jack. Maraming salamat din. And of course, hindi ko naman kailangan kalimutan. Sorry, talagang kailangan magpasalamat. So, I need to thank my lovely wife, Ukay. Ganda ba yung suot ko? Ma'am, salamat, Ukay. My family's, andyan sila lahat. From my in-laws, my mom, ang aking inay, ang aking mama. Mama, thank you for being here. Kahit natamad na siyang malis na Kuya Omar, my stepdad, and sila Team Sacrifice, my family, my in-laws na talagang nag-push din sa akin, naniwala sa akin na magtayo ka dito sa Marikina ng Wendeli. Andito kami, Mami Carol, from abroad pa yan. Thank you. Ang aking mga bilas, aking mga hipag. Thank you. Alam kong Rina, at Yvette, and yung in-laws ko, baka natutulog na rin sila, Eda, Eli, Dr. Aquino. Alam mo na. And of course, I want to greet also my friends na magiging Wendeli resellers distributor here in Manila. Hi Mare, pare. So sa Fergie, kamusta Mare? And from Manila, Cap Andrew Concepcion. And Chief Oka, mga kasama ko sa bumbero, firefighter. So Richie, Guide, Jet, Escudero, and Marky. Oh my, that's right. Anyway, and to my friends also from the GMA, andito rin sila, si Direct Pat. So, ayun. And I want to thank also Paul Cabral for making this Wendeli. Okay ba? Okay naman po ba? Salamat. Konti na lang pasasalamatan ko. Alam niyo po, hindi rin naman mabubuo ang pasalamat ko. Hindi rin naman ako ma-acknowledge dito. Kung hindi rin doon sa mga taong nagtiwala sa akin. Matapos kay Douglas Quijano, the late Douglas Quijano, Wingard Tracy. You know, isa po sa nagbigay sa akin ng suporta, naging mentor ko. Gusto ko lang ibigay itong natatamasa akong blessing kay Perry Lansigan, ang aking manager na walang ginawa kundi tutukan ako, maniwala sa akin, and i-guide ako. So Perry, soon magkakaroon ka na ng convenience store and you know, Wendeli, abroad, anywhere, with God's grace. So yun lamang po. At hindi pa ho ako dito natatapos. Nagsisimula pa lang ho ako. You know, I'll tell you a short story. Sorry. I'll tell you a short story. Very short, promise. Ay, gusto ko rin magpasalamat kay Kato Nying. In behalf of iFamily, Kato Nying, Ma'am Rosel Caberna, the Outbox Media. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. And the whole team, the Reg, sa lahat po ng cast, thank you so much. Ang ganda po nito. George Lee, maraming salamat, Ma'am Mariel. Anyway, I'll tell you a short story about how it started, about the Wendeli. Interesting, like nung sinabi nga ni Sir Joel, paano ako lumapit sa kanya noon. pandemic, that was I think 2020, 2019 and 2020, 2021. Anyway, well, boss sa akin itong speech eh. Well, anyway, all of us are worried about our health and blinded by the situation. This is when Delhi was conceptualized. Doon po nagsimula yun. We're blinded, wala tayong aside from the health, andyan lahat yung anxieties. Okay. As an actor, or as a parent na lang, as a parent, or hindi na actor, or isang manggagawang Pilipino, isang tao na nagbubuhay sa pamilya niya, hindi po naging biro ang naranasan nating pandemic. Ayoko na sanang banggitin, but this is the real story. Kailangan nating i-share to. So, it all started from the pandemic. Nag-isip po ako, nag-worry ako. Maybe some of you nag-worry din. Unlike si boss kasi may medical equipment siya na po pwede niyang i-share nung at the time. But you're worried for your employees. For sure yan, maraming nag-worry sa atin. And then, nung dumating yung time na hindi natin alam kung kailan yung mangyayari because everything stopped. Even Las Vegas, even all the businesses stopped. Even from our industry, stopped. Even our offices, stopped. So my wife told me, dumating yung time, my wife, nagpaalam sa akin, eto ang ganda nitong story to. May silang to. You know, just going to share to you guys. Sabi ng wife ko, pandemic times, lockdown, sabi niya, Dad, I have to go. Punta lang ako doon sa kabilang village or subdivision. Sabi ko, saan ka pupunta? Pandemic. So, baka mahuli ka or baka Anyway, to cut the long story short, umalis siya. Sabi niya, no, I have to drop something. I have to drop something. Doon sa guardhouse, another guardhouse. So, guardhouse to guardhouse ang nangyari. So, ano ba yung dinrop mo? Sabi niya, magdadrop lang ako ng longganisa. It's a garlic longganisa from Nueva Ecija. Sarap na Nueva Ecija garlic. Sabi ko saan galing yan? From my friend. From our dear good friend, kay kapatid ko, si Dan de la Peña. Dan, maraming salamat for giving me this idea at nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo. Sa inyo ni Dan, sa inyo ni Eli. Sila po yung dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng Wendeli. Okay, fast forward. When my wife dropped the frozen products from the Nueva Ecija, bumalik siya. Pagbalik niya meron siyang 2,000 pesos. Imagine at that time, lahat tayo nag-stop. Even athletes, even lahat. Kung meron kang tabi sa bangko mo, definitely palabas yun. Pero for sure, most of us, a lot of us, walang masyadong natatabing pera, walang papasok. At unless, meron kang racket na face mask. Tama? Pero nung time na yun yung asawa ko nag-uwi ng 2,000 pesos. And then yun yung nag-wake up call sa akin. Sabi ko, sandali. Yung wife ko for the longest time, she was a housewife. Okay, ako yung grinder eh. Not for anything. I love my wife. I respect her. Alam ko yung ability niya, pero ano siya housewife. Okay? So sabi ko, I think I need to do something about it. Marami akong follower eh. Lahat ng tao nung time na yon nakatutok sa, they're focusing on the social media. Sorry, Sir George. Sorry, Ma'am Dr. So I need to translate in English. Yeah, that's good. Appreciate it. But anyway, well, fast forward, sabi ko, kailangan ko rin gawin yung ginagawa ng wife ko because ako yung lalaki. I think ako yung kinakailangan na lumalabas kasi delikado para sa kanya. Ang tanong, am I willing to do that? From actor, from artista, I'm not saying na sobrang taas naming mga artista or from the industry. Pero ang tanong, willing ba kami na magbenta? Willing ba kami mag-alok ng simpleng tinda namin? Are we willing to do that? Na iba for the longest time sa aming hanap buhay noon. Kasi noon kaming nilalapitan po just to hold the product and then babayaran. Pero this time around, it's different. Iba to sa gagawin namin. Am I willing? Well, willing po ako. Just to survive. I'm willing para imaitaguyod ko ang pamilya ko. So, from there, we called, nag-isip po ako, we have to call Krish. Wala akong number ni Krish yung alam ko, Boss Krish. Si Kukay, she doesn't have the number, no? Wala sa'yo, no? And then surprisingly, imagine ninyo, hindi ko siya tinatawagan si Boss Krish for 8 years ba, Boss? Or hindi naman. 5 years. And then, chinek ko yung phone ko, meron akong number niya. And then, when I called her, she answered, mga 3 rings lang, no? Sabi ko, wow! Sabi ko, yes, makakautang na ako, makakapagpagawa ako ng frozen product ko on my own. Tama? And then, nung sinabi ko, boss, magtutosino ako, magtatapa ako. Kasi hindi ko pwedeng tapatan yung longganisa ng kaibigan ko. And then, sabi niya, hindi, Wendell, don't worry, bibiling ko yan. Sabi ko, hindi mo kailangan bilhin. Ang gusto ko sana, consignment. Uutang muna ako, magpapagawa ko ng frozen product, and then, doon na lang natin makita. Fast forward, kaya ako po kinakwento ito. Inunti-unti ko po. Hanggang sa dumating pa ako sa punto na nung hindi pa niya ako na-aprobahan, pumunta pa ako. Willing ako pumunta ng palengke. Just to get the product. Matatakan ng Wendell Meat, and then maibenta. Pero mabait ulit ng Diyos. Pinalikan ako after 4 days I think. And then, pagpunta namin sa office, yun na nga doon na sila Sir Joel Pascual, the chef na kami. Imagine niyo, no? I was looking for a simple online business lang. Simple online business. Na para magkaroon kami ng income. Ito yung magandang story. I'm willing to do a business, a frozen product. Not just to sell and then to receive some money by financial, of course, gusto natin yun. But also, by advocacy is to share it to other people. Because nung time ng pandemic, marami hong lumapit sa akin. Masakit mang isipin. Yung mga hindi ko in-expect na taong lumapit sa akin. Iba ho ang paglapit. Hindi pera, pahingi ho kami ng makakain. Sir Wendell, pahingi yung pagkain. Wala na akong makain pamilya ko. So from there, dun ho ako nagkaroon ng idea. Sorry kung napaghalo-halo ko yung kinukwento ko, but pero ito yung cake, boss. You know? My vision is not just to have my own, not just for my own sake, to have this frozen product na binigay mo na opportunity sa akin. But my vision is, ano ba naman yung bumili kayo ng frozen product ko through my online, through my followers, and then yung mga anak nyo, kakain kayo ng part by part ng tosino or tapa man yan. Siyempre, longganisa, animan nyo yan. Pero ito, part by part. Because at that time, ang mga Pilipino hindi nila alam. We have to save. We have to save. Kahit sabi mo marami kang pera nung time na yun, kailangan mo mag-save. Kailangan mo mag-save ng ulam nyo. And that's the reality about it. Yun yung real talk. So, part by part, yun yung tosino. And aside from that, kung may sobra kayo, yung mga anak nyo, dahil nag-anxiety, or kung sino man sa inyo, pwedeng gumawa ng breakfast. Pwedeng gumawa ng masarap na food. And then i-online. Yun po yung purpose ko. That's my purpose. Nasa isang maliit na kahon lang. From my business, makabenta ako, kumita ako, and then kikita rin yung mga bumili ng product ko. And then I will help them also to promote it. O bili kayo ng Tapsilog, baka nga ako pang bumili ng product nila ng breakfast or anong pagkain nila So that's my vision. Hindi ko na ho patatagalin pa. I was so blessed. And kaya ho ako nandito sa harap nyo ngayon. I was about to memorize this index na ginawa ng asawa ko. Thank you. But I'm so blessed na naalala ko na lang lahat pala ng mga pinagdaanan ko. I was so blessed because this company, this iFranchise, this Commissary Kitchen, we have the same vision. And I'm lucky enough, actually, napakaswerte ko, to be a part of this vision. Because ang vision ko maliit lang. Maliit lang, magbigay lang ng online. But right now, our vision is to give job employment opportunities globally. Pangbuong bansa na po, pangbuong mundo na po. So yun po yung pinagpapasalamat ko ngayon. Yun po yung pinagdadaanan ko ngayon, kaya po ako nandito ngayon. And I just want to say that hindi na po ako artista. Yeah, I'm artista ako. In front of camera, in front of the movies, in front of TV. Pero definitely, right after camera, pagkakat, isa po ako si Wendell Ramos na sumusuporta sa advocacy ng iFranchise to give this Filipino, especially abroad, OFWs, ng opportunity. Because ang iFranchise din na nagbigay ng opportunity sa akin, wala naman ho sa naging plano ko ang maging negosyante. Pero andito po ako, Boss Krish, at ang buong iFam, at ang buong partners ko. Tandaan niyo po, kasama niyo ako dito. Ako po si Wendell Ramos, na tindero ng Wendell. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. God bless you. Thank you.